The Indian Express newspaper dictation, total words 500, speed 100 word per minute, start. With less than a week for lockdown 4 to end, India's COVID-19 case load has surged past 1,40,000. The relaxation of restrictions from the third phase of the lockdown onwards has added to the challenges faced by the country's already overburdened healthcare system. According to the Indian Council of Medical Research, the positivity rate share of tests that yield positive results has gone up to 7% in the 3 weeks of lockdown 3 and 4. It was around 3% at the end of lockdown 2. The mortality rate reassuringly has remained static at about 3%. Moreover, more than 80% of the infected do not require hospitalization. Even then, the sheer scale of the pandemic seems to be taxing the resources of hospitals in most parts of the country and taking a toll on the health of medical professionals. The death on Sunday of a COVID positive nurse employed at a private hospital in Delhi, who was allegedly made to wear used PPEs, frames the difficulties of those at the front lines of the battle against the virus. Para. In the past 2 months, states have tried to mobilize public resources, ramp up medical centers, and shore up quarantine facilities in most parts of the country. Such efforts have at best produced mixed result. In Delhi, more than 75% of the beds earmarked for COVID positive patients in private hospitals are already occupied. Though the Delhi government claims that the situation is under control, it needs to be on high alert because the city has been adding more than 400 COVID cases daily for more than a week now. In Mumbai, as a report in this paper showed last week, the situation is much more critical. There is an acute shortage of dedicated COVID hospitals which admit critically ill patients like those who are require ICU or ventilator support. With the return of migrants from hotspots, district and small towns in the country will have their task cut out. Khagaria district in Bihar, for instance, expects about 50,000 migrants to return in the coming weeks but has only 2 ventilators, both in private hospitals. Only 37 of the 135 posts of government doctors in the district have been filled. Para. Overwhelmed by the pandemic, some medical facilities have turned up the pressure on medical professionals, particularly junior doctors and nurses. Last week, the Gujarat High Court pulled up the state's health minister and chief secretary for neglecting the problems faced by patients and staff at the Ahmedabad Civil Hospital. Responding to an anonymous letter detailing the problems of the government hospital's junior staff, the court described the healthcare facility as a dungeon. As the country's COVID-19 caseload increases, policymakers and hospital authorities need to work at creative solutions to deal with the patient influx. As a first step, they must treat healthcare workers in a humane manner, ensure their safety. The courts are the time-tested recourse for upholding and safeguarding constitutional protections for the citizens. Freedom of expression, including and especially the liberty to dissent. थैंक यू। इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियो की जानकारी आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच सके। वीडियो को लाइक और डिसलाइक अवश्य करें। कोई सुझाव और प्रश्न हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखें और वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स और क्लासमेट्स को शेयर करें।